Hello everyone, it's Ben from Senior Computer Services International. Today, we are going to see how we can log into our accounts. For instance, you want to log into your account. We want to see. Yes. So you come here to log in. When you reach login, you put in your email and password. You can click remind or no. So here you have logged in. You can see which courses you are having. For this case, there is no course. Which live classes do you have and courses? So whereby you can go to home and you'll be able to see. So when you are done with everything, then you can log out. So that's the simple way you can log in after accessing our channel or our platform via running or direct from our website. I emphasize this. You can easily access it directly from our website. From our website or that direct link, you can easily access our services. Thank you for your time. Have a good day. We meet you again.